Steel tongue drums have a calm, soothing sound that many people enjoy for relaxation, meditation, or simple music making. Their gentle tones make them easy to appreciate, even if someone is new to instruments. In this video, I'm going over the best steel tongue drums. Each pick sits in a different price range, and each one fits a different type of player or situation. That makes it a good idea to watch the full video so you can see which option fits your needs the best. If you want to check any of them out, the links to all the products are waiting in the description. If this video helps you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss new videos. And if you have questions about any of the drums, you can drop them in the comment section. Now let's get right into the reviews. Number 6. Eastrock 6-inch 8-note steel tongue drum. This pick is a small drum that focuses on simple play and relaxing tones. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around, which many people appreciate. It's built from titanium alloy steel with a painted coating that helps protect the surface from rust, scratches, and everyday wear. The drum has 8 notes in the key of C, a layout many beginners find easy to learn. Strike the tongues with the included mallets, and the vibration moves through the body of the drum, creating a mellow, hollow tone that feels calm and peaceful. The 6-inch size and light weight make it convenient to pack in the included carrying bag. Inside the package, you'll find 2 pairs of mallets, a small music book with beginner guidance, and note stickers that help new players follow along faster. Color choices include green, black, blue, brown, dark purple, emerald, lavender, and spotted green, with a larger 12-inch version available too. For a budget option, many people say the sound is pleasant, the build feels well made, and the drum is very easy to start playing. Some players mention the smaller size means a bit less volume, though the portability is a nice trade-off. Number 5. Locato 12-inch 13-note steel tongue drum. Moving up the list, this drum brings a larger body and more notes to work with. That extra space changes the feel and gives players more room to explore simple melodies. The body is made from alloy steel with a sprayed paint coating that helps protect the surface from wear and fading over time. Its round design uses oval, pedal-shaped tongues, and the layout provides 13 notes in the key of C. That wider range makes it easier to build fuller melodies compared with smaller drums that have fewer notes. Sound is often described as clean, mellow, and very calming. Many people mention that the tone feels rich and full without getting too loud, which works well for meditation, yoga sessions, or quiet practice at home. The drum can be played with the included mallets, though some players prefer tapping the tongues gently with their hands. This 12-inch version comes with a carry case, mallets, a music book, and note stickers to help beginners follow along. Color options include black, blue, gold, green, silver, purple, and several other shades. The price falls in the mid-range category. A few buyers say the highest note can sound slightly dull, though most reviews praise the relaxing tone and strong build quality. Number 4. NB Mixo 12-inch 13-note steel tongue drum. Coming in next is a drum that keeps the larger 12-inch size but puts extra focus on long, flowing tones. That shape and layout give players more space to create simple melodies without feeling crowded. This option features 13 notes tuned to the key of C, giving beginners a familiar layout that's easy to follow. The body is made from high alloy steel and shaped by hand during production, with several finishing steps like heat treatment, polishing, sandblasting, and painting. The bottom uses a Lotus-style hollow design that helps move air through the drum, which lets the notes ring out longer and feel more open. The sound character leans soft and mellow, with a mix of low and higher notes that many listeners describe as peaceful. Volume stays moderate, so it works well for meditation, yoga sessions, or quiet playing at home. Inside the box, you get a carry bag, 2 mallets, finger pads for hand playing, a music book, and note stickers to guide beginners through the layout. This model comes in navy blue and only in the 12-inch size. It sits in the mid-range category. Some people mention the tone can feel a little soft in larger rooms, though most feedback highlights the calming sound and the well-made build. Number 3. Hopwell 12-inch 15-note steel tongue drum. Reaching the top 3, the next drum brings a wider note range that opens up more musical options. The extra tongues give players more freedom to build longer melodies instead of sticking to short patterns. This 12-inch drum uses a titanium alloy body with a painted coating that helps protect the surface and keep the finish looking clean over time. The layout includes 15 notes tuned to D major, which many people enjoy for calm, uplifting tones. That tuning allows notes to blend smoothly, so even beginners can tap around and create pleasant sounds without much effort. The tone is often described as warm and clear, with notes that linger gently in the air after each strike. Many players use it during meditation, relaxation time, or simple daily practice. The package comes with 2 wooden mallets, 6 finger picks for hand playing, a travel bag, note stickers, and a music book with 40 songs plus a 40-day practice guide. That extra learning material can help beginners stay motivated. Color options include black, malachite green, and navy blue. This drum lands in the mid-range category. Some buyers report tuning differences between units, though most feedback highlights the relaxing tone and attractive finish. Number 2. Panda Drum Plus. Just missing the top spot. This drum stands out with a tuning choice that many relaxation-focused players appreciate. The layout is simple to approach, yet the tone range feels rich and full. This 11-inch drum is built from high-grade alloy steel, with a protective coating that helps guard against scratches and rust. The instrument is tuned to 432 Hz, a frequency many people associate with calm and soothing sound. Strike the tongues with the included mallets or finger picks, and the drum produces warm, hollow notes that blend smoothly together. The layout avoids clashing tones, so beginners can move around the notes and still create pleasant melodies. The body measures about 11 inches across and weighs just over 6 pounds, which keeps it portable without feeling too small. Inside the package, you'll find wooden mallets, finger picks, a music guide, a carry bag with a shoulder strap, and a canvas pouch for accessories. Color choices include sandstone, black, blue, and white. This option lands in the premium category. Most feedback highlights the relaxing tone and strong build quality, though a few players mention it takes a little practice to learn note patterns. Number 1. Panda Drum Pro. Taking the top position, this final drum stands out with a much larger body and deeper tone range. The bigger size changes the feel right away and gives the notes more space to resonate. The instrument measures about 15 inches across and is made from high-grade alloy steel with a protective coating that helps resist scratches and rust. That larger shell produces deeper, fuller tones compared with the smaller drums earlier in the list. It uses 432 Hz tuning, which many players choose for calm, relaxing sound. The note layout is simple to approach, so beginners can tap around the tongues and create pleasant melodies without needing music training. Sound character is often described as warm and rich, with long, flowing tones that blend smoothly together. The drum works well for meditation, yoga sessions, creative play, or quiet gatherings. Inside the package, you'll find wooden mallets, finger picks, a music book with song ideas, and a carrying bag for storage and travel. Color options include white, black, blue, and sandstone. This model sits in the premium category and comes with a lifetime warranty. Some buyers report occasional sound variation between units, though most feedback highlights the deep tone and attractive design. And that brings us to the end of this guide to the best steel tongue drums. If you'd like to see more videos like this, there are plenty of other breakdowns waiting on the channel. Thanks for spending some time here, and I'll see you in the next video.